The top stories for today are रणबीर और कटरीना करने लगे हैं एक दूसरे को इस हद तक इग्नोर that they have stopped coming in for events together. अक्षय कुमार और निमृत in an exclusive chat with entertainment editor विकी लालवानी. और पूजा ने ब्रेक किया अपना साइलेंस on her Twitter war with father कबीर बेदी exclusively on Spotboy. हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूँ संज्ञा और आप देख रहे हैं स्पॉट बॉय, सब कुछ बॉलीवुड। रणबीर कपूर अपने घर वापस क्या गए, वो तो पूरे फैमिली मैन ही बन गए हैं। आज तक जो कटरीना के साथ इवेंट्स और पार्टीज में एंट्री एग्जिट करते स्पॉट किए जाते थे, अब वो स्पॉट हो रहे हैं विद पापा ऋषि कपूर। जी हाँ, एक रीसेंट अवार्ड्स नाइट पर रणबीर एंड कटरीना की एंट्री हुई अलग अलग। नाउ वाज दैट टाइम्ड एंड डिलिबरेट और जस्ट अ कोइंसिडेंस? रणबीर कपूर और कटरीना कैफ ने सेट्स पर साथ शूटिंग फॉर जग्गा जासूस, but they are doing their best to avoid each other outside of work. और क्योंकि स्पॉट बॉय से कुछ छुपा नहीं है, let's tell you that रणबीर और कटरीना दोनों थे present at the उमंग मुंबई पुलिस अवार्ड्स, but they did not come or leave together. और तो और दोनों ने पूरी कोशिश की that उन्हें शक्ल तक ना देखनी पड़े एक दूसरे की। रणबीर ने फंक्शन अटेंड किया विद पापा ऋषि कपूर, जहां वो देखे गए टॉकिंग टू हिज डैड द होल टाइम। ही वाज आल्सो सीन पोजिंग विद आलिया भट्ट, सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा और करण जौहर। जब निकलने का वक्त आया, रणबीर और पापा ऋषि एग्जिटेड विद देयर एंटोurage, पर हु डिड दे बम्प इनटू? नन अदर देन कटरीना's मैनेजर। ऑकवर्ड। तो रणबीर का रिएक्शन क्या था? गुड बॉय के जैसे रणबीर exchanged a few words with her and then he was on his way. कटरीना के मैनेजर से की pleasantries exchange but not with कटरीना। चाहते तो he could have called her out or waited a minute to talk to her. No? और क्या perfectly time था रणबीर का exit, क्योंकि उनके निकलते ही एंटर किया कटरीना कैफ ने like just 5 minutes apart. अब you don't need to be Einstein to know कि ये entry exit का चक्कर obviously planned था। Obviously, कटरीना की मैनेजर चेक करने आई थी if the coast is clear for her boss's arrival. So Ranbir and Katrina are going out of their way to not even be in the same space. उफ, ये ex lovers और उनके issues. और कटरीना लग रही थी काफी रिलैक्स थैंक्स टू दिस मिस चांस। अक्षय और निमृत की फिल्म एयरलिफ्ट होने वाली है रिलीज इन नो टाइम। Of course they're excited, but right now हम लाए हैं आपके लिए एक sneak peek of their exclusive chat with entertainment editor विकी लालवानी. But for the uncut version, log on to our website spotboy.com.
This evening I have a very unusual jodi with me. In the upcoming film, they are fighting for survival, but definitely not in Bollywood. Especially the man to my right. It's Akshay Kumar and Nimrat Kaur.
Thank you.
Hi Nimrat.
Hi
Akshay. Welcome to Spotboy.
Well, thank you
Vicky.
I don't know whether you agree to what I said, that you are an unusual jodi, diametrically opposite with the theatre background you come and his commercial point ballers.
I think it's the best decision of 2015.
You think so?
Yeah, I think so.
But आप लोग दोनों मतलब अलग from different schools of acting.
Yeah.
So what was bonding? I mean, was it the North Indian factor which bonded you all? Was it the food? Was it what bonded you all?
Well, more than anything, all that naturally, of course, because we come from the same part of the country. But what I really liked being on a set with Akshay was that everything was so spontaneous and he was so open to just trying things. And I love that he doesn't like to be prepared. And he would just tell me that just don't tell me what you're going to do. Just come on the set and do what you feel like doing and we'll see where it goes. And I love that.
So Nimrat, you also had to indulge in a lot of action
I wish.
in the scenes?
No, I did not really. But it was really a really gritty situation. We were shooting in a situation which was really, really raw and very, very gritty many times. So by virtue of that, the atmosphere would become a little bit heavy and dense. It would become like that. But I personally didn't have to do any stunts, and I'm happy that I didn't have to.
But the film doesn't have stunts.
Yeah.
It's not a war movie.
It's not a war
Yeah,
movie.
It's not a war movie. It is about how this businessman with his shrewd sense makes all of them escape from there.
Have you experienced any kind of discrimination, racism when you've gone there and stayed for longer periods personally?
Well, I have not. What about you?
There are sometimes you notice that there is a difference in behavior, but it's very rare, and they're few and far between those incidents.
Or maybe
And
we have not noticed it. It doesn't come straight on the face.
Yeah, it's probably because people also talk about that around you. Then you end up maybe noticing something that may or may not have been intended that way. You know, so it's a question of perceiving something at that time.
Thank you so much for being on the show.
Thank you, Vicky.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thanks a
Akshay.
lot.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nandini. Thank you.
Recently, पूजा बेदी और कबीर बेदी के बीच शुरू हुआ ट्विटर वॉर. जी हाँ, this father and daughter duo has taken the social media by storm with their comments on each other. But finally, Pooja has broken her silence and spoken to Spot Boy exclusively on this controversy. Listen up. The Bedis थे एक big happy family until 2013. कबीर, उनकी गर्लफ्रेंड परवीन और पूजा सब रहते थे साथ में in Pooja's Juhu apartment. But then fights started erupting और Kabir and Parveen moved out of Pooja's house. And as things stand today, the Bedis might not be a family that stays together, but they are definitely the family that tweets together. पहले पूजा बेदी ने किया lash out against her father on social media. फिर पापा बेदी ने बुलाया अपनी डॉटर को venomous. यार ये बेदीज को इतना गुस्सा क्यों आता है? Newly married and fourth time lucky in love, Kabir Bedi का most recent tweet है काफी खतरनाक. He says, deeply disappointed by venomous comments by my daughter Pooja against @Parveen Dosanjh just after we married. No excuse for bad behavior. Spotboy Entertainment editor Vicky Lalwani ने की पूजा से exclusive phone chat. Pooja reacts to dad calling her venomous.
It's not venomous. It was a statement that was made, and then it was undone publicly, and a public wonderful statement was again issued. Positive statement was issued. So he chooses to see the first tweet and doesn't choose to see the second tweet that says that the first tweet was deleted. He chooses not to see a positive comment.
अब चलिए देखते हैं पूजा बेदी ने ऐसा क्या लिख दिया ट्विटर पर जिससे बेदी सीनियर इतना भड़क गए. She wrote, Every fairy tale has a wicked witch or an evil stepmother. Mine just arrived at I Kabir Bedi, just married at Parveen Dosanjh. हालांकि ये ट्वीट पूजा ने एकदम से रिट्रैक्ट कर लिया, पर ये ट्वीट तो जनाब उस थप्पड़ की तरह था जिसकी गूंज कुछ दिन बाद भी पूरे सोशल मीडिया के गलियारों में सुनाई दे रही है. उसके बाद पूजा went all sweet and soft on Papa Dear and she posted this on Twitter. Deleted the last tweet on my dad at I Kabir Bedi, fourth marriage. Let's keep things positive. I wish him the best. पूजा है गुस्सा क्योंकि उन्हें तो शादी पर बुलाया तक नहीं गया. उनका मानना है that weddings are a time to put differences aside and celebrate. But unlike her step brother Adam, जो थे शादी में invited, पूजा को कोई invitation नहीं मिला.
I didn't. And my kids were not invited to the Sangeet or the Mehndi or anything. They were invited to the wedding, but told it was a family dinner. They went and found out it was a wedding.
कबीर थे एक integral part of Pooja's life. जाहिर सी बात है कि a girl's dad is always her first hero. But परवीन के आने से the equations have changed, says Pooja. Speaking of her dad, she says,
I guess sometimes people can be intelligent and not wise. So what do you do? Helen of Troy launched 1,000 ships. What do you do?
What's Pooja's take on marriage at the age of 70?
I'm pro, older people finding love and stability in their lives. I write a relationship column, and I advise a lot of people, who are getting much older to find companionship in their old age. So I would want the same for my father. I'm happy that he found somebody who will spend, hopefully, the rest of his life with.
When the 70-year-old Kabir got married to his girlfriend Parveen, who is 4 years younger to his daughter Pooja, उन्होंने ये तो एकदम नहीं सोचा होगा कि उनकी शादी इन रीजंस की वजह से न्यूज में आएगी. That's all for now. This is me Sangya signing off. Stay connected to Spot Boys सब कुछ Bollywood by logging on to our website and our YouTube channel. Update करिए हमारा free app on your Android and iOS. And for those of you who don't have it yet, download it now. We're also on Facebook and Twitter. Bye bye.